Welcome back to this channel. News headlines in English to speak in today's morning assembly, that is on 21st of August. And first of all, national news. Parliament passed bill to establish IIM at Guwahati in Assam. IMD issued red alert for Gujarat, Goa, and coastal Maharashtra. Heavy rains forecast across multiple states. PM Modi paid tribute to former PM Rajiv Gandhi on his birth anniversary. South Central Railway made history as five key departments come under women leadership. India Post launch IT 2.0 advanced postal technology to drive digital transformation nationwide. PM Modi to inaugurate Onta Samaria project in Gaya, 2 km Ganga bridge to boost connectivity between Mokama and Begusarai. International news. Spain wildfire, over 3.8 lakh hectares burned, civil protection emergency considered. UN chief praised humanitarians, warn of record 398 worker deaths in 2024 amid conflicts and disasters. India China agreed to resume direct flights, update air services agreement after bilateral talks. Back to back quakes, Jal Pakistan 3.7 magnitude tremor hit Hindu Kush region. Israel demanded release of all 50 hostages from Gaza, unlikely to accept partial ceasefire proposal. Now, sports news. Asian Shooting Championship, Indian duo of Saurabh and Suruchi bagged bronze in 10-meter air pistol. Hockey India announced 18 member squad for Men's Asia Cups, Harmanpreet Singh to lead team. Under 20 World Wrestling, Sumit Malik won silver, Srishti and Tapsia stormed into finals. Business related news. Indian core industry up by 2% in July as compared to same period year ago. And that's all in news. Thank you.